So this is part 2 of the video to replace the ice chute Mullion heater. And basically what it is, you have this plug to the original heating element, and what happens is you come here to the little box and you pry the bottom of it, and then you push outward and it'll pop out. You got to make sure that there's no ice inside the housing, because otherwise it'll be impossible to remove this. And then of course you're gonna have to make a hole in the liner, and you're gonna have to put silicone on this so to prevent moisture intrusion. And then as you pull, when you pull this one out, you're gonna have to fish the wires through from here. So you tight something at the end, and then you stick your long screwdriver or your drill bit that you use tape at the end or a piece of wire, and then you fish it through, and then you're done dealing. And then once you do that, you're gonna have to make a little hole to have the wires go through. I'm going to show you from the other end. You're going to have to drill a little hole there, and then you're going to come in here and connect it to these two. The instructions on the box will tell you which color wires you're going to use, but these are the ones that you're going to use. As you can see, it's a neutral wire and a pink wire. After that, you just rewire it, and that'll be that. But the hardest part to do is actually removing this little box. And come to find out, this is like the 3rd or 5th one I do in a while. And the best way to do is make sure that everything is defrosted. And when it's defrosted, it's easy sailing from here. See? And that is the end of the story. Once you do this, everything is peachy from here. I hope this helps you out. And again, the wires will be here with a little plug. You may want to follow the wires the way they are before, and then you'll know where the wires are going to go. And then read the instructions so that you know which wires you're going to use. In this case, it was a white one and a black one. But your application may be different, so you may have to use the red one and the black, or the blue and the black. Read the instructions for that one. Anyway, so this is the story. Took the little mullion out, and then now we're going to replace it.